Welcome to the another tutorial of Photoshop. In this we will see the basic selection tools. For that we have opened two images in Photoshop, image 1 and image 2. On the right side you can see the layer panel. Now the first option is Ctrl A for select all and Ctrl D for deselect. So these are the shortcuts. Ctrl plus A for selecting everything inside a file. Ctrl plus D is for deselecting the content. Ctrl C is copy and Ctrl V is paste. That are the shortcuts of Windows. Now here we have some other tools. One is rectangular marquee tool. Suppose if you don't want to select everything and just a small portion, you can select the region. This is rectangular marquee tool. Ctrl D, deselect. Then we have elliptical marquee tool, and we can make a selection something like this or this. Then lasso tool. You can make a free-form selection, or polygonal lasso tool. In this you just need to go on clicking for making the selection. Then the lastly magnetic lasso tool. Just click and drag along a line and it will automatically detect the pixel difference and get snapped to it. So this is called as magnetic lasso selection. Now suppose if I have taken a selection, whenever you select any tool over here, its sub-options will be displayed on top. This is for new selection. That means if I make another selection, the first selection will be gone. And if I make third one, the second will be gone. This is add to selection. So if I make another selection, both the selections will be there on the screen. Or if I make another one, intersecting them, they all will get add up. This is subtract selection. You can subtract it. And this is intersect. You can make a selection that is intersecting the other selections. Now suppose if you press Ctrl C, copy, go to another file and press Ctrl V, the same data will be pasted and you can see a new layer has been created. So we have pasted another data and it comes on a new layer. So this is a new layer where we have pasted the data. Keeping that layer selected, you can reduce its opacity, or you can change the blending mode. You can keep it on multiply, color burn, linear burn, and accordingly the data will get mixed into one another.